Y'all lit, so I run with the candle team. Thanksgiving dinner, we know it made some green. What's in it coat, no makeup, but it Maybelline. Cino don't act, and I hope he don't make a scene. Tryna out me, I guess they wanna make the team. He got a glow with a 30 and laser beam. 380 kill.
Need some help, bro? Damn. You know the bump started?
It's stuck. I mean, yeah, but it won't go. But it's stuck here. Oh, shit.
You gotta get some speed with that joint. You gotta turn the gas on, bro. Oh God. I ain't gonna lie, this shit got me tired, gang. Here, gang. The gas on now, though. Shit. You pump the gas a little bit so some gas get in that carburetor. Dang. Sheesh. Dang. Whew. I'm glad my shit do that. What's happening? For the kickstand? Just yank that bitch. Yank it up, bro. Just yank it.
Oh, shit.
You said what?
No, I thought I was doing good.
I seen you.
I don't know what happened.
Just drop it back.
I'm not doing it.
I'm saying I'll do it for you. Oh, hold on, hold on, hold on. You want it?
Just a little bit, hold on.
Good. You look better on that joint anyways.
No, I don't.
Oh God, you do.
Oh, get out the way.
I'm not in the way. Got you. You want the whole lot?
Huh?
You want the whole lot to yourself?
Yeah.
You can ride that joint. You can ride it all day. I'm on it. Oh, oh, oh. Come on, bro.
That boy said you gotta push me.
They said they about to go? Huh?
Love me. I'm like, God damn.
Oh, God.
Nigga said, go Braves.
Go, Tony. You like that joint?
Not really. I like that one.
What? Oh, the dirt bike?
It's still recording. I'm Guillermo. Nice to meet you, man.
Yes, sir, Malik.
You said Garrett? Guillermo. Guillermo. I'm
Well,
one of them Latinos just like everybody else.
You sound American, I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah, but I speak Spanish.
Yeah.
I'm just white as fuck. I'm an albino Latino. 12 o'clock in that shit.
Oh, man, I appreciate it, bro.
Dude,
Appreciate it, bro.
respect.
Appreciate it.
I can't do it.
You can't?
Hey, I can run it. I can fucking shift it.
You can do it, I promise you, bro. Wheeling is not hard.
No. It's not my bike.
Right.
I don't want to do it on somebody else's bike. You really trust like you have on your own
Of course.
Yeah. On somebody else's bike, I take more respect to it.
What's this right here?
MT-09, 900cc, strip triple.
Yeah. But sound badass. You say you sore? Hey, and the ass part is we still gotta load these motherfuckers. Shit ass. You want me to wheelie? I don't know how to, bro. No cap. I do white wheelie.
Bro, don't make fun of me now.
Oh, no, we're not joking.
Whoa.
my guy. Hey man, all love, brody. I appreciate y'all, man.
I appreciate you too.
Yes, sir.
The best guy, Toretto. Toretto.
That bit clean. That's clean.
10 cylinder. This is the motor engine. Is the Viper.
Yes.
Hey, they probably about to haul ass home. Nigga said last one home gotta pay everybody else note on these bitches. Don't.
Like, hold it.
Yeah.
When I'm going to stop the brake.
Slap that bitch, bro. Combos? Huh? Like a meal?
Oh, you know what I mean?
Nah, bro. Nah.
Like this. My fake smile. To the back.
Sheesh. Oh, you want your ass in there?
No.
Cap.
You want me to break my neck?
Oh,
No,
oh, it's for the sun.
It's okay, thank you.
Golly. Sheesh.
That's it.
That's it. You give me like a picture coming through here?
Yeah, you want a roller like last time?
Ain't gotta be no roller. It's gonna be some, unless you can shoot some standstill shit when I'm coming through.
Y'all can have your own little section.
Oh my God. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead, bro. What the fuck was I waiting on all my life, bro? Like, just dropping back like that.
Do it again.
Yo, Svelly. Go ahead.
Whoa.
Go ahead, bro. GT fam, man, we're gonna go ahead and close this video out right here. I love and appreciate every single one of y'all, man. Make sure y'all please smash that like button. Follow the game, follow your Veli. I know follow my boy Tony, man. Everything will be linked down below. Shout out to everybody who showed out, came out, man. Show nothing but love. We out of here.